Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on example problem on abelian group in group theory over algebraic structures in discrete mathematics. Okay, so this is the given problem. Let G be the set of all non-zero real numbers and let A star B is equal to half AB. Show that G comma star is an abelian group. Okay, so the given set is G be the set of all non-zero real numbers. Okay, here A star B is equal to half AB. Whenever we are using A star B, in the place of A star B, we have to use half AB. Okay, now G comma star is said to be abelian group if and only if it satisfies five properties. First one is closure property and second one is associative, third one is identity, fourth one is inverse and fifth one is commutative. So abelian group is also called as commutative group. Okay, so whenever G comma star satisfies these five properties, hence we can say that G comma star is an abelian group. Okay, whenever G comma star satisfies these four properties, 1, 2, 3, 4 properties, then G comma star is said to be a group. Okay, for group these four properties we have to satisfy group. Okay, now first one is closure property. Okay, first one is closure property. So what is closure property? Let us consider any two elements A comma B, okay, belongs to G, then A star B also belongs to G. So this is the statement of closure property. Now I am taking two elements of G. So A and B are two elements of G, two elements of G, that is A comma B belongs to G. A comma B belongs to G. Then A star B is equal to half AB also belongs to G. Okay, whenever A and B are two elements of G, then A star B is also belongs to G. A star B is nothing but half AB is also belongs to G. Hence we can say that star satisfies the closure property. Satisfies the closure property. Okay, we are taking any two elements of set G, then the product of these two elements is also belongs to G. So for example, I am considering, okay, 2 comma 3 belongs to G. Okay, 2 star 3, that is half into 2 into 3, is equal to half into 6, that is equal to 3, also belongs to G. Okay, so this is the simple example of closure property. Okay, I am taking two elements of G. The product of these two elements also belongs to G. The product of these two elements is nothing but half into A value is 2, B value is 3. Half into 2 into 3 is 6. That is equal to 3. 3 is the result of A star B. 3 is also belongs to G. Hence we can say that star satisfies the closure property. Okay. Next, the second property, associative property. Associative property. So what is associative property? For any three elements, for any three elements of G, that is A comma B comma C belongs to G, then it satisfies A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Okay, so whenever we are taking any three elements of G, okay, A comma B comma C belongs to G, it satisfies this property. Okay, now we have to check whether star satisfies this property or not. Okay, let us consider LHS. Let us consider LHS. So that is equal to A star B star C. Okay, so here B star C is in the form of, okay, it can be written as B star C is in the form of A star B. Okay, so then how it can be written as A star half into BC. Okay, so here A star B is equal to half AB. In the same way, B star C can be written as half BC. Okay, now again it is in the form of A star B. Okay, it can be written as half into A into BC. Okay, now it can be written as half into half AB into C. Okay, now this can be written as half into A star B star C. Okay, it is in the form of A into B. It is in the form of A into B. So half A into B can be written as A star B into C. Okay, so that is equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore, star satisfies associative property. Associative property. Okay, next, the third property is identity property. Okay, the statement is for any element A of G, so that is A belongs to G. Okay, there exists an identity element. There exists an identity element that is E. Okay, So E of G, that is E belongs to G. Okay. Then it satisfies A into E is equal to E into A is equal to A. Okay. Here where E is the identity element, where E is the identity element. E is the identity element. Now we go for A into E. According to A into B is equal to half AB. According to that one, we have to write half AE. Okay. So that is equal to half EA is equal to A. Okay. Now, so half AE is equal to A. So both sides A is same. So we have to cancel that A. So therefore E is equal to 2. Therefore identity element is 2. Okay. Now substitute identity element here. A into E is equal to half into A into E. So half into A into E value is 2. 2 substituted, that is equal to A. So A into E is equal to A. In the same way, E into A is equal to half EA. So E value substituted, 2 into A. 2 cancel, that is equal to A. So therefore it satisfies A into E is equal to E into A is equal to A. So therefore star satisfies the identity property. Star satisfies the identity property. Okay, next one is, fourth one is inverse property. Inverse property. Okay. What is inverse property? For any element A of G, that is A belongs to G, there exists an inverse of element A is A inverse also belongs to G. Then it satisfies A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to E, where E is the identity element. Okay, so according to that one, A into A inverse. Okay, here we have to write A star B is equal to half AB. So according to this one, A into A inverse is equal to half into A inverse is equal to E. Okay, now we have to substitute that half into A into A inverse is equal to E value is 2. Okay, now A into A inverse is equal to 4. Next, A inverse is equal to 4 by A. Okay. So A inverse is the inverse of element A. Element A. Okay. So where A inverse is equal to 4 by A. Okay. Now we have to substitute it. So therefore A into A inverse is equal to, so A inverse value is 4 by A. 4 by A cancel. So that is equal to, here A into A inverse is equal to half into A inverse. So that is equal to half into A into, what is A inverse value? That is 4 by A. So A cancel, 2 2's 2, that is equal to 2. So that is equal to E. Okay. Next one, A inverse into A is equal to half into A inverse into A. So that is equal to half into A inverse value is 4 by A into A. So here A cancel, 2 2's, therefore 2, that is equal to E. Okay, therefore it satisfies A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to E, that is equal to 2. Okay, therefore star satisfies the inverse property. Star satisfies the inverse property. Okay. Next, last property is commutative property. This is commutative property. What is the commutative property statement? For any two elements, A comma B belongs to G, that is A comma B of G, that is A comma B belongs to G, it satisfies A star B is equal to B star A. Okay, so let us consider LHS. So A star B is equal to, A star B is nothing but half AB. Okay, so that is equal to half AB. Okay, it can be written as half BA. It can be written as B star A. So that is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so therefore star satisfies commutative property. Okay, so therefore star satisfies closure, associative, identity, inverse and commutative properties. So therefore, hence, whenever it satisfies these 5 properties with respect to star, hence G comma star is an abelian group. Or a commutative group. commutative group. So in this way we have to solve this problem. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name Divella Srinivas Rao. Thank you.